Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to investigate the idea of momentum. Actually, we can predict the outcome of collisions using the idea of momentum. The momentum of a moving object is calculated by multiplying its mass by its velocity. The momentum is equals to mass multiplied by the velocity. Which one is a scalar and which two are vectors? Exactly, mass is a scalar quantity. Velocity and momentum are vector quantities. Good job! What are the units of momentum? You can actually deduce them from the formulas. Great! Since the mass is in kilograms and the velocity is in meters per second, and since the momentum is the mass multiplied by the velocity, then its unit is kilograms meter per second. What is the momentum of a truck of a mass 1 kilograms moving at 4 meters per second? Speaking of the case of truck A, so let's check your answer. The momentum for truck A is equals to mass multiplied by the velocity, which is 1 kilograms multiplied by 4 meters per second equals to 4 kilograms meter per second. Here we are using a sign convention in which any vector quantity directed towards the right is positive, as in this case for truck A, and if it's directed to the left, the sign will be negative, as in the case of truck B. We're going to use this information to calculate the momentum of a truck of a mass 2 kilograms moving to the left at 2 meters per second. Let's change the values here. So what's your answer? Let's check if your answers are correct. So the momentum of truck B is equals to the mass multiplied by the velocity, equals to 2 multiplied by negative 2 equals to negative 4 meters per second. The vectors of truck A and B are opposite in sense. Since truck A is moving to the right, however truck B is moving to the left, the vector of momentum changed its direction.